Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to enable secure, transparent transactions between parties without the need for a trusted intermediary. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger, which is maintained by a network of computers around the world. To send or receive Bitcoin, users need a digital wallet that stores their private keys, which are used to sign transactions and prove ownership of the currency. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on the blockchain. This process, known as mining, involves solving complex mathematical puzzles that require significant computational power and the use of specialized hardware. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its fixed supply, which is limited to 21 million coins. This helps to ensure that the currency retains its value over time and is not subject to inflation like fiat currencies. Bitcoin has gained popularity as a means of payment, investment, and store of value. It has also been subject to significant volatility and regulatory scrutiny due to its decentralized nature and association with illicit activities.